Hello. So today we'll see the question which is product of array except itself, and it's seventh question in lit code 75 list, and let's see what it is. Let me take you to the screen, and yeah, here we go. Product of arrays except self. What the question says that given an integer array nums, return an array answer such that answer I is equal to product of all the elements of nums except num7. Okay. The product of any prefix or suffix of nums is guaranteed to be fit in 32-bit integer. Okay, so we can take data type integer because it will fit in 32-bit, and you must write an algorithm that runs in big O of n time without using division operator. So it means ki we shouldn't do like product of all the things like all elements and dividing nums at that index for that answer at that index. We shouldn't do that. And also it says ki big of n times. So it's basically means ki for the index type what we can do ki till from 0 to index minus 1. Oh, एक minute. For 0 to 1 minus I minus 1, we can take product. Then after I plus from I will take product after I like start from I plus 1 to n minus 1, and we can do this for each index, and it will take big O of n square time. Like it will take big O of n time if we store that product in some left product array and for the right thing for right product array. So yeah, basically we need to write in big O of n time, not in big O of n square time. uh, let's see how we can solve it. So for big O of n time, like to work in big O of n time, what comes in my mind that I don't want this, like I just don't want that number. I want product of all the numbers it numbers which are in left, and I want product numbers which are in right, and I want left product into right product, but I don't want that number to be included in that product. So basically let's see one example first. First example is 1 2 3 4. So yeah, 1 2 3 4. For this what we can say key, let me write it like this, and yeah. So for 1, basically it says that we want product of 2 into 3 into 4, that is here 6 and 6 into 4 24. So 24. For 2 we want 1 into 3 into 4, which is 12, and for 3 we want 2 into 1 2 and 8, that 8 okay sorry 2 and into 4, which is 8, and for 4 we don't have anything right. When we don't have anything right, we'll take it 1, and for left 3 into 2 6, 6 into 1 6, so it's 6. So that's the answer array. So basically what we did that except this we took this numbers on the left into numbers in the right. So I mean product in left into product in right. So we can store the left product and we can store the right product, and for that index we can multiply both the product, like left product into right product. You are getting it, like for first index there will be no one will be left, no one will be in left, so we'll take 1, and for last index there will be no one will be in right, so we'll take 1 for it to product in right. So yeah, I think I could better tell you in code. So let's see. So for what I want, I want to take an integer here, whose which is size of nums, and I said ki I want left product array. So I'll take a vector of int because they have said it is guaranteed to fit in 32-bit integer. So I'll take int, and then we'll take uh, left are like its name left is left product, and it will have size of n, and it will be 1. Why I'm taking 1? Cause look now ki there is nothing, so if there is nothing I'm taking it 1 right now. I will override it while we'll see after like in this code, after this thing, like after declaring this, I'll take one right product array, right product. It will also have n length, and I'll I'll initialize it with 1. Then we'll go like for the left product. What I will do if I'll run one for loop for int I is equals to, I'll start it from first index, cause for 0 index there is, okay, for 0 index there is no one for left, so for that left 0 will be always 1. What I want is I want for the like second index, it means for from 1th index will find key what I want to multiply for that number, like to get the answer of that number, answer of that index. So yeah, we'll take it from 1, and I will be less than n, like general for loop. And yeah, what we'll do key for left product, left product at 1, it will be, except that element it will be or product of all the previous elements. So it will be same that left product at I minus 1 cross nums at I minus 1. We'll do this for right right product array also, and right product array is equals to right product I, what I did confusion, yeah, yeah. And right product, okay. Now we have left product, we have right product, we want answer, like we will declare one answer array too, like here let's declare here that we want answer array of length n. For now declare it 1, and we'll go from index I is equals to 0 to I is less than n, I plus plus, and answer at that I is equals to left at that left product, sorry, let me copy this from here, control C, and yeah, left product at I cross right product at right product at I, yeah. And we'll return this answer array. What happened key here, uh, we took we copied it from above like for the left product, but we didn't change the index. That for the right product we need to go traverse from right only, right? So we have to we have to take I is equals to n minus 2, cause for n minus 1 there will be no variable in right and it will be 1 only. And we'll take n minus 2, and I should be greater than or equal to 0, and we'll decrease the index. And for right product I is equals to right product I, in this case it will take I plus 1, and for nums I plus 1. Okay, for left we take previous one, and for right we are taking the next one. And for answer array will be same. So let's run it, and yeah, let's submit it. So for this, the time complexity will be big of n, but space complexity will be like space complexity also big of n. like, but we are using three vectors here. Like, we can just use answer vector, and we can store left in one variable and right one in one variable, and we can do that. We'll do that in next video. But yeah, for this, the time complexity and space complexity as big of n. Let me write it here, that the time complexity is equals to big of n, and time complexity is big of n, and space complexity also big of n. Yeah, that's it, guys. Okay, bye.